Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the camera app and selecting portrait mode. This engages depth capture and the iPhone 16 improved sensor. Make sure you pick the lens, 0.5 for wide environmental shots, 1x for standard framing, or telephoto for tighter portraits, because lens choice changes background blur and perspective. Once done, check HDR and photonic engine toggles so highlights and skin tones render naturally. You'll see a subject distance indicator. Move closer or further to keep the subject inside the recommended range for best depth mapping. Next, focus on how to shape the look. Use the depth control slider to increase or decrease bokeh, because stronger blur isolates your subject while lower blur keeps more background detail. Tap and hold the subject to lock AE/AF and slide to tweak exposure so skin tones stay accurate. This prevents the camera from shifting mid-shot. Then cycle through portrait lighting modes to change mood, natural, studio, stage, and adjust intensity to avoid blown highlights or unnaturally flat faces. Finish by composing and capturing. Hold the phone steady or use burst for movement because stable capture preserves edge detail in depth maps. Once you take the photo, open it in Photos to fine-tune depth control and lighting. This non-destructive edit lets you refine the portrait later. If the blur looks off, troubleshoot. Make sure the subject is within the recommended distance, switch lenses to test depth consistency, and clean the lens. Often small smudges or being out of range cause incorrect background separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.